In this lesson, we'll dive deeper into reading Hangul by learning additional letters. Some of these may feel tricky because they resemble or sound similar to letters you already know. Previously, we covered the basic Korean alphabet. There are still more letters you'll need to master before moving forward. Fortunately, now that you understand how to form syllables, learning the remaining letters is more about building on that foundation. The first new letter we'll tackle may be a bit confusing at first, but it's crucial to memorize. In the last lesson, you learned that Korean syllables are always arranged in one of these patterns. You also learned that position 2 is always a vowel, while positions 1 and 3 are consonants. Always, always, always. This rule raises the question, does every syllable start with a consonant? The answer, sort of. When occupies position 1, it is silent, and the sound begins with the vowel in position 2. For example, an is equal to an, yun is equal to yun, on is equal to on, eob is equal to eob. This silent letter ensures the rule. Position 2 is always a vowel is followed. However, takes on a different role when placed in position 3. Here, it sounds like ng, as in walking. Examples, gang is equal to kang, bang is equal to bang, ging is equal to king, gong is equal to kong. The letter can appear in both position 1 and 3 within the same syllable. Ang is equal to ang similar letters that add complexity. In addition to, you'll now learn some letters that closely resemble or sound like ones you've already mastered. While this makes them easier to learn, it can also cause confusion. Let's group them into sets. G set. G, the letter you already know. K. GG, a new letter formed by two G's side by side. It's pronounced more forcefully and romanized as KK. K, another new letter, romanized as K. Its pronunciation is slightly more aspirated than GB set. B, the letter you already know. B. BB, a new letter formed by two B's. It's pronounced more forcefully and romanized as BB. P, another new letter, romanized as P. It's closer to an English P, though B and P are quite similar. J set. J, the letter you already know. J. JJ, a new letter formed by two J's. It's pronounced more forcefully and romanized as JJ. C, another new letter, romanized as CH. Its sound is similar to an English CH, but J and CH are very close. D set. D, the letter you already know. D. DD, a new letter formed by two D's. It's pronounced more forcefully and romanized as DD. T, another new letter, romanized as T. Its sound is closer to an English T, though D and T are similar. S set. S, the letter you already know. S. SS, a new letter formed by two S's. It's pronounced more forcefully and romanized as SS. These new letters follow the same syllable rules as the ones you've already learned. For example, 1. DD is equal to DDA is equal to A is equal to NGA is vertical, so the syllable is dang, dang. 2. T is equal to O is equal to O is equal to NGO is horizontal, so the syllable is tong, tong. What's next? By now you should. 1. Recognize the new letters introduced in this lesson. 2. Form syllables using these new letters and vowels. In the next lesson, you'll learn the final set of letters before moving on to studying real words and sentences. Keep practicing.